Welcome everyone. Let's start today by sitting on the mat in a comfortable position, your hands resting on your knees, your back straight, and relax your shoulders, relax your neck, relax the muscles of your face. Just closing your eyes and take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Let's take this moment before this practice to ground ourselves to the here and now. When you shift your attention to your breath, it will automatically connect you to your body, to the inner calm. So whenever the mind starts wandering, just connect to your breath. Feel the gentle rise in your abdomen and your chest with every inhalation. And with every exhalation, your body releasing and relaxing. I would like to invite you today to feel this energy entering your body with every inhale. And with every exhale, feel this energy circulating throughout your body. In India, we call this energy the prana, or the life force. It is the energy that gives all the nutrients, oxygen, and life to your cells, to your organs. And coming back to the breath, allowing the breath to become calm, you also allow this life force, this pranic energy to circulate throughout your whole body and giving light and energy to every cells, every organs, every tissues throughout your body. Imagine this energy and light to dissolve all the tensions, all the stress that you have been accumulating. And imagine that it is nourishing your body or wherever you feel the most need of love, care, and light. Stay here for a few more breaths, allowing your breath to become even deeper and feeling this life force, the prana, in your body along with your breath. And slowly let's take one slow, deep inhale in through the nose. And one slow, deep exhale through the mouth and release. Taking one inhale through the nose. And one exhale. Release and open your eyes. Now let's start today in standing at the center of the mat, your feet together, back straight, and open your legs wide apart. We will do triangle pose. So let's shift our right foot towards the right and left foot also slightly towards the right. Spread your arms apart, making a straight line. Your back is straight. And with the exhale, bring your right arm and right hand on your right leg and open with the left arm. Looking up toward the sky, creating a beautiful triangle with your whole body. Creating beautiful space in every corners of your body, on your legs, upper body. And exhale, slowly release, come back to the center. And now you will bend the right foot to 90 degrees angle. And you will bring your right elbow to your right leg and bring your left arm over your head. Stretch your whole left side here, the leg. And if you can bring the right palm to the ground, but this doesn't have to be. It will just allow a further deep stretch, creating a one beautiful line from your hands to your toes. And exhale, come back to warrior two. Release your legs and let's go to the other side. So now you will bring the left foot towards the left and the right foot also slightly towards the left. Spread your arms apart sideways, and by exhaling, bring the left arm and left hand on your left foot and right hand up towards the sky. Now make sure that your upper body is not moving forward. Imagine that you're against a wall. So you're completely creating a straight line. Taking a deep inhale in and exhale, slowly release, come back, stay in the same position. And now bend your left leg and left knee, creating a 90 degrees angle and bringing your hand to the floor. Right hand is stretched up. And really feel this line created, this beautiful stretch. You can look up, breathing in. And slowly exhale, coming back to the center. Release your legs and come back into Tadasana, basic standing posture. Now let's do the warrior one, Virabhadrasana 1. So you will open your legs wide apart again, but now this time you will shift your body completely to the right side. So really bring your upper body towards the right or the back of the mat. And by inhaling, you will bring both of the arms up above your head. And while exhaling, you will bend your left knee. You can look up here. Just really make sure the back leg is strong, the heel is grounded, and the front leg is bended with the knee not extending further away from the heels. Exhale, come back, release your hand, and this time we will add a gentle twist in the upper body. So you will bend your left knee again, bringing both of the arms up toward the sky. And you will bring both of your hands in front of the heart center. And you will twist so that you look on the left side. So your right elbow is on your left knee. So this is a great asana to give a gentle massage to your inner abdominal organs. And take an inhalation here and come back to center, release the posture, and let's go right away to the other side. So now look completely towards the left or the front of the mat. Shift your upper body to the front. Both of your heels are grounded and bend your right leg. Bring both of your hands up above the sky and look up if you can. So this is the Warrior 1 posture, Virabhadrasana 1. Really great in strengthening your lower body, your upper body. Release the posture. And now let's go again, but adding a gentle twist. So inhaling, you will bring the arms up, and exhale, you will twist to the right side, bringing the left elbow to the right knee. Feeling the great twist. It is an amazing posture to really detoxify and to release toxin from your body. And inhale, release, and come back. Come back slowly to the standing position, Tadasana. And let's sit now onto your mat. So sitting on your sitting bones, straighten your legs in front and your back is straight. Flex your feet, making sure that both of your legs are strongly grounded. And now bend the right leg, bringing closer to your chest, and bring the right foot next to your left hip. Inhaling, bringing the left arm up, and exhale, twist. So you can bring your left elbow against your right knee, bringing the right arm behind your back, and really twist from the abdomen. This is another great posture for detoxification. And now release the posture. Let's go on the other side. Bend your left leg, bring it closer to your chest, and bring the left feet against your right outer hips. And now bring the right hand and the right elbow against your left knee and look to your left side. Really feel this nice twist with each inhalation, and with the exhalation, try to go a little bit deeper. Release your hands and release your legs, sitting strong. Now bend your right knee again and bring your right foot to the outer side of your left hip, and bring your left foot also to the outer side of your right hip. And try to align both of your knees on top of each other so it doesn't have to be completely touching each other. Inhale, raise your right arm up, and then interlock your fingers at the back. So you don't need to have your fingers touched against each other if this is difficult for you today. It is completely fine, but just really try to open your chest, creating a beautiful stretch and opening in your upper body. This asana is called Gomukhasana, and it is a great asana to bring circulation to your lower body, upper body, and stimulating the whole lymphatic system to release toxins. So release your posture, release your legs, And we will do exactly the same on the other side. So this time you will bend your left leg and bring the left foot to the outer side of the right hip, and bringing the right foot to the outer side of your left hip, and trying to align both of your knees on top of each other, bringing your left hand up and interlock the fingers at the back. Taking a deep inhale in, and really feel this beautiful stretch on the lower body, the arms. Taking a deep inhale in and exhale. And slowly release the postures and straighten your legs in front of the mat. Now come into a cross-leg position, and let's end this practice by taking a few breaths, by closing our eyes, relaxing your whole body. Just feel this energy again, feel this prana. Now that you did a few movements in asana, this prana is really flowing freely, giving energy to every cell of your body. And today's asana will really great to detoxify and release any unnecessary toxins and emotions and tensions. So just really feel your body energized and cleaned from within. Now bring both of your hands at the heart center and bow down to yourself, giving gratefulness and thanks to your body, to your health, and all the teachers who transmitted this art and science of yoga. Let's bow down to the floor and coming back, open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed, and see you soon. Namaste.